What should people always remember when it comes to hurricane and tropical storms? Attorney Robert Fenstersheib explains that. It's important to take hurricane and tropical storm warnings seriously. While damage to your home can be repaired, loss of life cannot. Always take the necessary precautions to keep your family safe. If possible, take refuge in a local area that is designated as a hurricane shelter. Keep copies of important records, including your insurance policy, in a safe deposit box away from the home. Also, keep food and other supplies on hand in case you lose electricity. While your first thoughts may be to clean up the mess in your home, don't act immediately. Take just a few minutes to photograph the damage before it's been cleared away. These photos will be immensely helpful later after the water has receded and the damage has been repaired. At that point, it will be more difficult to show the extent of the harm. With storm damage prevalent in South Florida, homeowners should be aware of potential scams involving storm and flood damage repairs. Always get a written estimate and check the company's background. Also, don't give cash to anyone as a down payment for services. This is a common scam. The alleged repair company may take your money and never return. The law offices of Robert J. Fenstersheib and Associates can counsel you regarding your legal rights about windstorm and flood insurances. They offer a free consultation with no obligation to help you evaluate your claims and determine whether they are being handled properly.